Hello guys from the channel of Richard Brook. Here I'm with a review of two figures from YAMATO company. These ones are the Shield Liger YAMATO, the bank versions, and the DCS-J. Well, first I want to start saying congratulations to YAMATO company for these two figures. Both of them are completely amazing. Both of them are one of the most collectible figures from Zoids, one of the most rare and right now very expensive to get. And well, for the lovers of the anime of Zoids and the guys that are trying to get a very rare piece of or figure, these ones are the very best to start. Well, at the beginning I will start with the bank version. This figure has first the core, has a detailed core with Zik inside. As you remember, in the anime, Zik provides the energy to the Zoids, this additional energy for the core. Also it has Zik standing up in order to follow up Fiona and Bank. This is Fiona, complete detail, even the red eyes, as you can see. One of my favorites Bank figure. Both of them are like the young Fiona and Bank at the start of the anime. Well, and now I will pass to show you the detail in the Zoid itself. Well, first, this guy is very heavy, maybe around 3.5 kilograms. In the cabin, it has also an additional two figures about Fiona and Bank. Here. In internet you can see many photos about this Zoid. First, the shields can be open and closed. Also the mouth, the jaws, can be open and closed. Well, since here you can see Fiona and Bank, now you need to open the cabin, and here you can see the figure of Bank sitting, and in the back we have the figure of Fiona sitting also. Both of them are really nice, really cool, as you can see here. The cabin is also in some way detailed. It already has this kind of water decal inside. And well, let's bring back Fiona and Bank. Bank is even like in the position for driving or piloting the Zoid. Well, now it's time to get inside again. As I said, you have four figures, the ones sitting and the one standing. For me, it's a very nice detail from YAMATO to have all these figures completely detailed. Let's close the cockpit. You need to put to close and in some way like pulling downwards. Okay, so this is the way you can find all the detail in the cabin. Here you have some points to open and close. The side rocket launchers also open and close from the two sides. And in here you have the beam cannons in the back of the shield Liger. Also, this weapon can be just turning, and now you can save. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult, but not impossible. Okay, so it's completely closed. I will try to show you how you can get inside the core. Is here. Let me remember how to do it, because this part you can take it. I don't remember how to do it, but well, here it's not easy to see, but here we have a core, and I think SIG cannot be inside. In the past I think I tried, but well, it already has the core, an additional core, not this one, but that you can see this open and close in order to put the core inside. Okay, let's move. All the legs are completely articulated. It has this kind of shield in each of the legs. From the back, and there are no additional move parts like these ones, these shields, not move, just the tail. The tail has an additional cannon. This one can rotate. And mainly all those are the parts from the bank version YAMATO shield Liger. I will leave this guy here. It's one of my favorite figures so far. Okay, this guy has the organoid system, organoid core, and the two figures of Bang and Fiona. Now the next is this guy, the bad guy. I would like to say the bad guy. That is the DCS-J. Both of them they have the same size, the same parts, just different color. The black shield Liger comes with totally four figures, 2 standing pilots, and 2 that are sitting. This is one of the guys that are sitting, and the other is inside the cabin. As you can see, in comparison with Bang, the pilots are like adult pilots. Bang can see like a child. Okay, so I will show you the pilots. Normal Zoid pilots, helmet and everything. Just this guy is the one that didn't has the helmet. Well, now you can see this figure, super nice. I love these colors. One of the big differences that you can notice is that this one has the 2 giant beam cannons. Actually, you can purchase separately these 2 accessories for the Bang shield Liger. So well, as you can notice, it's completely the same figure, just with the black color and the additional cannons. The cannons can just turn, adjust, And just for your reference, also this can be opened, but the difference is that for these Zoids you have only one seat inside the cabin. In the bank version you have 2 seats for both of them, so this guy has like more space in the cabin. And as I said, very nice jaws. Looks like steel, but this is plastic actually. The shields open, same articulation here, same articulation in this side. Just the difference is that the cannons, once you move from here, this is the layout in which they can move. Well, I think it looks very aggressive, very nice. And also it has some rocket launchers here in the back. I think, just making a fast comparison, these rocket launchers are the same rocket launchers here. If you want to detach these cannons, you need to put these rocket launchers in the same side, the same area than this one. And these cannons you need to adjust, you need to set in this part here. It has some points to adjust and fix. You should Liger in order to avoid moving. Also, this guy has this cannon here, so additional to this big cannon you have this one, the rocket launchers, and remember that also you have the tail cannon. So I think this Zoid is very nice for a middle and long range battle. And well, here you can see both of them, side to side. Well, I hope this video likes to you. And those are one of my very rare figures from Zoids. I hope I can maintain keeping both of them a lot of time. And if you have some question, if you have some point about these two guys or some additional data or point that I didn't know about them, some Easter egg that somehow you can find here, I think would be very nice to know. Well, I hope this video likes to you. It's very short, but it shows both of the figures and some of the differences and some of the points that are similar between them. Well, see you guys, and in the future I will continue sharing some of my collection. See you.